Yeah. There we go. There we go. This is a good fish. This is a good one. Good. Yeah, that's a good fish. All right. We got a good one on the Whopper Plopper. What a perfect spot right over there. Yeah, doesn't get much better than that. Past the barb and struggling to get that sucker out. But that's him, man. What do you think of that? What is that on his gill? That's gross. Yeah, pretty fish. Pretty fish. I guess we could take a quick measurement. I'd say he's 14 to 15. Almost lost him there. Let's take a quick measurement. Yeah, he's 14. 14-inch smallie on the Duck River. Thank you, buddy.